Hi friends, I'm Sudha and I'm pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering stream in Vasireddy and Venkatapati Institute of Technology, Nambur. And now I'm here to share my feedback about the course I have taken in Coursera, which was offered by my college by partnering with L4G and Youth Exchange program. First of all, in Coursera, I have taken the course AI for Everyone. It's artificial intelligence for everyone, and the course was taught by Andrew Sir, who is the CEO and founder of one of the leading AI, and he is one of the co-founder of Coursera and one of the adjunct professor at Stanford University. And coming to the course was taught in very coherent and intuitive way so that even a basic non-technical user of any organization can easily understand the course and can progress easily. And in the course, first of all, I have learned what is AI, the standard definition of AI, then all technical terms in the AI, including neural networks, machine learning, data science, deep learning, and what all these all have connection to the AI and vice versa, how these are related to AI and all of that. And next, I have learned what is data, how do we acquire data like manual labeling or downloading from the websites or by through observations like all forms, and what all, I have also learned what all constitutes an AI team, what are the basic things required to form an AI team, and then I have learned what machine learning can and cannot do, what data science can and cannot do. And for I have learned the basic difference between machine learning and data science, that in machine learning, in data set we have train and test data set. In machine learning train data we give both input and output. In test data we give input and expect for the desired output. And whereas in data science, in trained data we give both in input and output. In test data set we don't give any input and expect for the output. We just draw conclusions from the data in the trained data set, draw patterns, get interesting facts, like all those things. There is a common difference between machine learning and data science. And next, I have learned what are the frameworks of machine learning and the frameworks of data science, what are the basic difference between them. That in machine learning we actually collect the data, train the model, and then deploy the model. Whereas in data science, we collect the data, then analyze the model rather than training, and then deploy the model. That is all the basic difference between the frameworks of the machine learning project and data science project. And I have seen both with the examples of self-driving cars, Google Alexa, and speakers, and all of those. And then I have also seen how to choose an AI project. That is to know which project is better for an organization to choose, and how do we start working with an AI for all from the basic to advanced level. I have seen all those. Then I have also seen how did we like working with an AI team, what are basic skills we require to work with an AI team, and what are the basic tools AI team uses to build any AI project, like Pi, Sky, Syntech, Pedal, or Veka, like all those. And then I have also learned the important thing that every job function needs to learn how to use AI. The then only the organization will get very useful. And then I have learned the self-driving car project case studies and Google speakers case studies. And I have known the workflow of the both projects and what basic difference both has. That first of all, the basic workflow includes in the smart speakers. First we trigger a word, then it recognizes our speech, then it recognizes our intent, then it executes the command. This is what it follows in smart speakers. And then I have also learned about self-driving cars, like how the technology inside the car recognizes cars around it, recognize on how does it detects the pedestrians around it, and how it plans the motion to move forward in efficient way, like all those things. And later, I have learned what are the roles of an AI team, from software engineer to machine learning engineer and machine learning researcher, and the basic. And I have learned the important fact that the basic AI team constitutes a software engineer, machine learning engineer, and machine learning researcher. The basic AI team. And I have also seen the AI transformation playbook, that is how we apply AI to our business applications, and what steps should we follow to apply AI to our business needs, and like all those. And I have also learned what is supervised learning and unsupervised learning, where machine learning is a supervised learning. We train that machine what to do, and we give particular input and we expect the output. That is supervised learning, which machine learning follows. And I have also learned about unsupervised learning, where we have clustering, transferring the data, transfer learning, k-means cluster, on all of those. And later, I have also seen the pitfalls in the AI, like how AI uses the future technology to do all of this. And I have also seen a realistic view of AI, how it is basically used in industries, especially organizations. And I have also seen the role of AI that contributes to both developed countries and developing countries. And I have also seen on what impacts does developing economies or countries should mainly concentrate in the AI, in the view of AI, to increase its economy. And I have seen all those. And I have also seen the adverse uses as well as adverse attacks on the AI. The adverse uses include checking our spam mails, fake comments, and all of those. And attacks on the AI include we can make a video of others, of them speaking something which they actually didn't speak. That is what all AI can do. And I have also seen how it would be like discrimination and bias against AI. Bias means giving the incorrect input to AI, like having data leak, or like having data leakage in the AI, like all those things. And I have also seen the impact of AI in developing countries, like I said before. And I have also seen the jobs in AI, that is the jobs that AI has displaced and the jobs that AI has created. And I'm more happy to hear that the jobs that AI has created are more than the jobs that are displaced by AI. And I have seen this scenario in case of US. And then I have known deeply about the AI, and I highly recommend this to anyone who is waiting to have their business starting in AI, or any organization, to know basics about the AI, especially for the non-technical stuff. And this course contains all non-technical things about AI, not programs or anything else. And thank you, Andrew sir, for providing such easy course to us, to everyone. Thank you.